Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the keycaps off the keyboard on DELL Latitude 5420. And to do it, first of all, be very careful with that, but it's of course doable. You'll just need a thin tool that can get in between the chassis and the keycap. So I'm gonna use this sponger, whatever it is, and insert it in between the chassis and the key. Then gently lift it, and don't unclick it just yet. Just look how the mechanism opens. This is a scissor mechanism, and if it has the hinge horizontally, so like that, then open it from the side. But if there's a key, a short key for example, something that has a different hinge, then instead of opening, if a hinge is vertical, then you should open it from the top or from the bottom and just pry it very gently, and only the edge. Don't go too deep with the pry tool. Then you can put your finger inside as well and try to lift the corners. It's not that easy, but as you do it for a moment, you'll finally get it. But as I said, don't go too deep with that tool, because you may just take the whole mechanism off. You can see this is what I mean by horizontal hinge. And if it was vertical, it would be just rotated 90 degrees. Now, if I want to put it back on, just place it like that and click it on in four corners. And also, it's worth taking a picture of your keyboard before you start disassembling it, because if you forget the key layout, it may be different than on my keyboard. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.